Okay, you guys, hi. I just thought I'd do a really quick video. I don't even know when Kev will get it up, but I've never done a shirt before with Couture, so I thought that if I do a really quick video doing my first shirt. We'll have to see what happens. But everything else has turned out really well, and so I thought, you know, I'm gonna give this a shot because I've got a placemat that would look really cute. It's like a buffalo check placemat, and I'd like to do maybe something on that, which is also fabric. So I'm gonna turn my camera down and we're gonna see what happens. This may be a disaster, but we'll find out together. So here we go. All right. So I have the Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen, and Rudolph, which I love this transfer, and I thought it would be really cute on this kind of raglan shirt. So here we go. We're gonna start with I'm gonna do all of the names except for Rudolph in white. I'm using the ink because we want to heat set it so that it will stay permanent when I wash it. So we're gonna start, I think, and do the white. I might do these little doodahs with some different colors, I'm not sure. But right now I'll do all the names in white, Rudolph in red, and we'll start there and see what happens. So we've got Dasher here. It's kind of hard when it's kind of a gray t-shirt, so it's hard to see the, the relief on the back. But anyway, I need to go faster because I don't want the ink to dry. So we're coming down here, we're doing Dancer. Got to get all those cute letters done. I don't know, I'm just thinking this might be kind of fun. And I could wear it at school, and the kids would think it was fun. So here we're coming down, we did Cupid. Here we come around to Comet. I like the way that the template sits on the fabric because it's sticky, and so it's kind of nice. Okay, Blitzen, now I gotta be kind of careful here. Let's see. I'm going to do up to that part of the Z right there. Maybe get a little on that edge. And then I will do red to complete Rudolph. Okay, so I need some there, I need a little bit more there. Oh, I gotta come down and get that, the rest of that B. I could have, I wonder what would have happened if I used the method where you kind of just use, you know, the white to the red and kind of mix it. That would have been interesting. I don't know what that would be like on a fabric. I've only seen it done on chalkboards where you just kind of do a swirly mix of the colors. Okay, let's see. All right, do red. I better do a different. So I'm using the inks. I've been inking tonight, so I needed to use ones that have not been in, the squeegees that haven't been in my regular paint. I don't know. I love this. I hope that it turns out cute. You have so much more freedom when you're doing a chalkboard because you can erase it. This, I suspect I could probably wash it out within the first few minutes, but I'd rather not. I'd rather have it work, right? Okay. Okay, there's Rudolph. Now, do I want to do the doodahs? I think I'm going to do some doodahs. Oh, nope, I don't have any. Oh, I forgot to get my green out. Dang it. What if I did gold? Let's just try a little gold ink. Shimmer copper. Let's try, oh, I could do shimmer silver. Let's do that. I'm just going to do a little bit of shimmer silver where these little doodahs are that are like little I don't know, maybe it won't even show up because it's on a gray. Maybe I should have used gold. Well, we'll find out here. Okay, these are just like little spritzes of things. We'll find out. This is also the ink, and I love it because it's a little bit of glitz. It's a little bit of, has some shimmer to it, which is kind of fun. And I think I went over one there that was not, it's probably white. But that's okay. I think these are gonna look great. All right, as they say, peel and reveal. Let's see, you guys. Am I on camera? Oh my heck. Oh, I didn't get all of Dancer. I gotta get a little bit more right there. Let's see if I can. I just missed that little end part right there. Let's see if that helped or made it worse. Oh, nope. But you can't really see the little doodahs. Okay, I gotta get Rudolph right here. I gotta get just a hair more red on that R. I was trying not to, I just need to get a little bit right there. I could put a little more there too, so it looks, okay, let's see. The silver was not a success. Oh, but that's kind of cute. I think that's kind of cute. Okay, you guys, you can barely see the little silver doodahs. I might have to clean it and then go back in and do it with gold, just those little things. I think it's cute. I hope you guys like it. It's actually pretty fun to do it on the fabric. I probably could have applied a little more pressure. I didn't want it to get mushy, and so I was kind of light on the pressure. But I will heat set this with my Cricut Easy Press, and I can do it for 30 seconds. I'll put some parchment paper over it. I'll heat set it, and then it's good to go. If you have an iron, if you don't have a Cricut Easy Press, you can use an iron, and I believe it's 4 minutes. Just moving your iron over the parchment paper, okay, you guys? And then it's heat set and you should be able to wash it. So I don't know, I'm thinking it's kind of cute. I love that Rudolph. Well, fun, that's fun. I hope you guys liked it. It was a fast one, it was a quick one, but it turned out pretty good. Hope you're having a nice evening. I hope you're having a nice evening getting your Christmas stuff ready to go, and I'm excited to wear this shirt. So try your inks on, remember ink, not paste, on your fabrics. Okay? See you later. Bye.